Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we have with us Mr.
Umesh, Mitkar,
Writer of...
Who Stole My Paradise.
Yes sir, so how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
Very exciting and very wonderful. Means I had not expected this much
Right.
grand show will be there.
What is one thing about your book you think stands out in this genre or thing?
Though it is self-book or self-development book, it is not common or some typical book. It's already observation about life and its proceedings, how it goes. Means and how we people go through it and how we gain, sometimes suffer, how we enjoy, how we grieve.
But while writing this book, what are some of the biggest challenges you faced?
Main challenges means editing. It took a lot of time because it was my first book.
Right.
So I found it how to present it and how it should be look good, professional. So I had to take extra efforts. So I edited this book. I think 17, 18 times I have edited.
We have a huge audience of writers.
Yeah.
So what was one piece of advice you would give to a budding writer or author?
You try hard, work hard, and you first develop language. You should have a language under your control. Language, especially English language, you have to read more. You have to read good literature, foreign literature, and you go read books of great authors.
Right,
And improve your language, then it will be very useful.
Right. Then you can share your ideas.
That is the
easily.
fact.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much for sharing your experience with us.
So nice.
I hope you have a...
very kind of you for
Absolutely.
giving me interview.